hope everyone is doing well. So in this video, I'm super excited to share with you guys my business. Yes, girl, I started my own business. I am officially a licensed insurance broker. So I sell life insurance and I also sell Medicare as well. And I'm going to show you guys how much I made in the past 2 months. So I am a baby at this business, but I am doing really well and I'm just so excited to show you guys the numbers. And I'm also going to spotlight one of the girls that I work with. So yeah, let's talk about it. All right guys, so like I said, I sell life insurance and I sell Medicare. So just to quickly go over why I sell either or, and I guess the pros and cons of each. And if you guys want, I could do a more detailed videos, but this is gonna be really quick. So life insurance and Medicare, right? So you get big deposits into your account. I love that. You get a small renewal income, like 5%. It's not really nothing to brag about, but there is a commission with that, you know, renewal income. With Medicare, you do get a smaller commission. It's regulated by the government. So how Medicare works is if I enroll a new client into Medicare, never been on Medicare before, in my state I would make $500. It's like $510 or something like that, but it's $500. Now, if I change their plan to another plan, then I would get $270, right? Don't sound like a lot of money. Now, the reason why Medicare is like my thing is you make renewal income on that client. So basically, every client that I have on the books, I make $20 a month on that client. Now there's two different ways you could enroll a person in Medicare. There's two different products, I should say. One is a Medicare Supplement and one is a Medicare Advantage. Now with the Medicare Supplement, you will get renewals for about 7 years or so. They pay like $21, $22 a month. And then with the Medicare Advantage, it's about the same. But with the Medicare Advantage, you get paid for the rest of that client life. I said that right, for the rest of that client life, okay? So if I have 500 Medicare clients on the book, which is my goal, I would make $10,000 a month on those clients as long as they're on my books. I said that right, $10,000 a month for about 500 clients, which is not hard to do. Basically, you just work, you know, you just work. So anyways, those are the difference between Medicare and life insurance. Now, the con of life insurance is if the client does not pay their premium, then you have to pay that commission back, okay? So if they decide not to pay their premium within that first year, you have to pay that commission back. So say you made $1,000 on that client and they decide not to pay their policy, you have to pay that $1,000 back. With Medicare, there's no chargebacks, none at all. So I love Medicare. Medicare is like, I love Medicare. And the reason why I really love Medicare, if you don't know, I am a registered nurse and I've always loved seniors, and most of my clients are seniors in the Medicare world. You can enroll someone in Medicare that's been disabled for 2 years, and of course there'll be younger clients, but most of my clients are seniors. I love seniors because I love to reminisce with them about their life stories and all of that. I just love my seniors, you know what I'm saying? So I love doing Medicare. I love doing life insurance as well. I love doing life insurance because I think life insurance is so important and it should be the first thing you do when you become an adult, is to have your own life insurance policy. I think it's so important. It just relieves the burden off of your family. And if something happens to you, like say for example a married couple, say husband passed away, well, you know, wife could get a good, you know, life insurance policy and, you know, maintain the family, like pay off the home and things like that. So I love both products and I believe in both products, okay? And I have life insurance. I had life insurance ever since I was 29 years old. So it's not like I'm selling something that I don't believe in. I believe in life insurance. So those are the two products that I sell. And like I said, I'm going to go over the numbers, how much money I made for the month. And I'm also, well, for the 2 months, because I've been in this business for 2 months, I'm going to go over my numbers. And I'm going to also discuss my goals for my business as well. So stay tuned. I'm gonna go over my numbers, guys. All right, guys, so this is my checking account, and this checking account is only transactions for my business, okay? I do not use this checking account for paying bills or anything like that. It's only money that I got from my business, okay? So as you can see, I have a available balance of $5,808, and this is going to show you what I've made in the past 2 months, okay? So that's that. So you can see right here, I got a deposit for $813 for a policy, and then I got a deposit for $632. You can see I got another one for $388, one for $325. I got a big deposit right here, $1,352. You can see most of my policies that I write is with Americo, okay? So you can see it says Americo there. This is a policy from another company. So I am a broker, so I work with several different companies, but I write most of my clients with Americo because that is my top company that I use, okay? As you can see, here's another life insurance company. They gave me $684. Right here was $15. I think that was a override that I got from an agent. Okay, this $4,000 I had transferred over to pay bills to my account that I pay my bills in. Okay, here is another. So you could see right there the $4,000 plus the $5,000 right now, how much I've made with just selling life insurance. Okay, so that's that, and I would add all those numbers for you guys. Here's another deposit. I made $294. Here's a big one, $1745. Here's another one, $81. I believe this was from an agent. I think that's what that was. Here is another one of $997. Here's another one of $678, and another one for $95. This is only $95 because it was a family member. When you write a policy from a family member, they only pay you as the family member actually make the premium payments. So that's why that is so little. That's why it's only $100, less than $100. And this right here was a fee that I got from the bank, but I got that taken care of. So basically these are pluses because they're not red. You see the fees, and then I basically told them to give me my money back. It's a long story, I'm not going to go over that. But anyways, here's another big deposit from Americo, $1,300. And like I said, these are the fees that the bank charged me, and I asked them to give me my money back. So yeah, guys, so these are the deposits that I have gotten so far in the span of 2 months. And I'm going to talk about my Medicare sales as well. You can't see my Medicare sales, and I will go over why. All right, guys, so those are the numbers that you can see on my account, but there are numbers that you cannot see on my account, and I'm going to explain that right now. All right, so as you guys can see on my account, I have a balance of $5,808, and I had transferred $4,000 over to my account where I pay my bills. So that's roughly close to $10,000 that I made in the 2 months. Now, what you can't see is the activity that I did that I have not gotten paid for, and I will show you guys those numbers, okay? And what you also can't see is all of the clients that I wrote on Medicare. Now, how Medicare works is right now we are in annual enrollment. So people are allowed to change their plans from October to December the 7th, okay? So all of that business I would get paid in January, and I have those numbers, and I'm going to show you guys those numbers, and then I'm going to show you guys the grand total of how much I made for the past 2 months. Now also keep in mind that I do get my clients by purchasing leads, okay? So roughly I say I spent about $2,000 so far on leads, and I'm going to deduct the cost of leads, and that's going to give you the grand total of how much I actually made in the past 2 months. So I wrote all the numbers that you cannot see on a notebook. So let's go over those numbers. First off, I just want to show you guys a calendar that when I get home, I write down my activity for the day. This business is a numbers game, and it's all about activity. So I started my first day here, as you can see, October the 5th. I made an error here, so I just wrote made a heart over it. So there's nothing special about that date. So as you guys can see, my first dial day was October the 5th, and I had no clients. I went to so many people's homes, and everyone said no. I was new. I was learning the business, so I guess my energy was not that great that first week. And then bam, here I got my first client. And as you can see here, again, I didn't do well that week. And then I enrolled 2 people in Medicare Advantage, as you can see here. Those are their initials. And then I started really doing well in the last 2 weeks of October here. And this is my November activity. As you can see, I've done pretty well. Okay, you can see a lot of MAs. Those are my Medicare clients. I'm just showing you guys that, I gotta show you guys some kind of proof that I am doing Medicare, since I can't show you that on my account. So overall, I enrolled 20. This is just my bills. But anyways, overall, I enrolled 28 clients into Medicare. 23 of those people were people that I transfer over to a better Medicare plan, and 5 of those people are new to Medicare, and I will show you guys those numbers right now. All right guys, so this is my handy dandy notebook, just to show you guys what you can't see on my account. So the past few days, these are the clients that I wrote. It is a few days after Thanksgiving. I probably would get paid for this on Monday. Right now it is Sunday. I probably would get these transactions in my account Monday. So I wrote 4 adults that you can't see in my account right now, which is going to be a total of $3,641. And I wrote several children policies, and you can see how many children I wrote here. And I get about 85% on those policies, so I'm going to make about $600 or so. Okay, like I said, I enrolled 23 Medicare clients. Okay, so I'm going to make about $6,000 on those clients. And I also enrolled 5 brand new Medicare clients, and I'm going to make about $2,500 on those clients. So this is what the number should look like for the 2 months that I've worked. So the $5,808 is what you've seen on my SunTrust account, and you also seen I transferred over $4,000 to pay bills. The $3,000 is what I've done in the past few days. The $6,000 is my Medicare. The $2,500 is my new to Medicare. The $600 is my children policies that I just wrote. So that is a total of $22,000 that I've made in the past 2 months. And like I say, I do purchase leads to get my clients. So we're just gonna subtract $2,000 for leads. So this is what I made in the past 2 months in my business, okay? So a little over $20,000. I am a baby business owner. I would say that I did really, really well. All right, guys, so those are the numbers. I've made over $20,000, been in this business for only 2 months. I think that is pretty awesome. Now, my goal is to make over $20,000 every single month. So that means I have a lot of work to do. I need to be able to brand myself. I want to start a YouTube channel just for my business to educate my clients on Medicare and the importance of having life insurance. So those are some of the goals that I have for myself. And I also want to build my team. I'm not planning on paying myself at all. I just want to reinvest back into my business, use money to market myself and to purchase leads and to get in front of more clients. Now, my goal is to have at least 500 Medicare clients, so that way I can get a renewal income of $10,000 a month and continue to grow my business. And of course, I am hiring, guys. If you guys would like for me to help you, just send me an email and I get you on board. I've hired 7 agents and only 1 person actually went out there and made money and sold policies, and I'm going to highlight her in this video because I'm so proud of her. She works a full-time job and she does this whenever she can, and yeah, so I'm so proud of her. Now, what I would say about this business, you have to have mental toughness. You have to be very strong mentally. It's so easy to go to a 9-to-5 and get a paycheck every week, but when you have to actually go out there and produce your own income, it's a totally different ball game. But as you can see, it is definitely worth it, okay? All right, guys, so first I want to spotlight one of my business partners. I don't like calling people my agents because I don't own anyone on her first client. She basically went to the client home and she called me and I walked her through the whole thing. I did this with all of her sales. So basically she would call me and say, hey, I'm with client such and such and they have diabetes, high blood pressure, whatever their medical condition is. And I would say, okay, write this policy. And I'll say, if they get declined, call me back. Because the goal is to make sure that we cover all of our clients. Okay, so that's what she did. So the first one. All right, guys, so this is Nancy and I'm going to share with you guys her numbers. So like I said, she has a full-time job and she does this part-time. So her first sale was $647 in annual premium. Her second sale was $753 in annual premiums. And her third sale was $2,700 in annual premium. That was like such a big celebration for the both of us. It was so cool to see her hit those numbers. She only sat with 4 clients and she sold 3 clients, so that is really good. That's a very high turnover rate, so that's really good. And I'm so proud of her, and I can't wait to see her grow in this business. She already said that if she does really good, which I believe she will, and she will quit her job and do this full time. Now, she does not sell Medicare. She only sells life insurance, but she wants to get into Medicare sales next year, and I will help her with that process. It is a bit of a learning curve, but I got her, so I will help her with that as well. If you want to join my team, you could go ahead and contact me. All of my information will be linked in the description box below, and I will help you with the process. You just have to get your life and your health license. I help you along the whole process, and you know, changing our lives. Like when I did the video of me paying off my home, a lot of you guys join on that journey, and I would love for a lot of you guys to join me on this journey as well. My personal goal is to make at least $20,000 a month and build a really big team, and I would love to have at least 500 Medicare clients on the books that I service, and with that I could be generating $10,000 a month and renewal income. And of course, once I get that big, I'm going to hire staff, so that would be good because I'll be responsible for like another family, you know, like put someone on the payroll. I think that would be so cool. So yeah, I am really trying to do big things with my life. I'm not just trying to pay off a mortgage. That was just the beginning, okay? That was just the beginning. So anyways, I need lots of men and women on my team that has a very strong mindset, because with this business you have to be mentally strong. Because as you guys seen on my calendar, it was like a whole 2 weeks that I didn't really make any money, but at the end of the month it pans out. It's a numbers game. You're not always going to get the sale. And personally, I don't sell my clients. I don't sell my clients at all. My appointments are very, I feel like it's more like helping my clients. Like I educate them on why it's important to have life insurance, and I really do a lot of education on my Medicare clients, because Medicare is so confusing. I also wanted to give a shout out to one of my really good friends. She is a graphic designer, and she designed my business card. It's a magnetic business card that I give to my clients. I give this to clients that actually enroll in a plan. So yeah, I give this to them, whether it's life insurance or Medicare. It is a magnetic, and the reason why I did big numbers for my seniors, okay? And like I said, it is magnetic, so it goes on your refrigerator. Yeah, love it. All right guys, that is it. If you would like to join my team, then you just check me out in the description box, send me an email, and I will help you guys out with that. If you're not interested at all, but you would like to support me in any kind of way, I would love to be able to do a meeting with you and help you sign up for life insurance. And if you are older, I will help you as well with your Medicare. So you will be giving me business, and that will help me grow, okay? It will help my channel grow, and it will help me grow as a businesswoman. That's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys. Peace and ciao for now. Bye.